Hello and welcome to our quick guide on how to host your website using Hostinger's Website Builder. The link to Hostinger is in the description. Begin by visiting hostinger.com. This is where you'll start the process of creating and hosting your website. On the Hostinger homepage, click on the Websites tab. This will take you to the section where you can manage websites. Look for the option labeled Add Website and click on it. This is your first step in creating a new site. You will be presented with several choices for building your website. Select Hostinger Website Builder to proceed. Click on Start Creating. This action will activate Hostinger's AI-powered tool to assist you in building your website. You will be prompted to enter details like your brand name, the type of website you're creating, for example, blog, e-commerce, portfolio, and a brief description. Fill in these fields accurately as they help in tailoring your website. After entering the details, click on Create a Website. Your website will be automatically generated and is now ready for customization. At this point, you can edit your website as needed. Hostinger's Builder allows you to add AI-generated images and includes templates for features like newsletter signups and social media links. Once you are satisfied with your website, select Go Live to publish your site on the internet. After going live, you can view your website by clicking on View Site. This will take you to your newly created and live website. And that's how you can easily create and host a website with Hostinger's Website Builder. Enjoy your new online presence. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again.